Okay, car's off. Keys are in my hand. It is off. And as I focus here, I have no indicator that there's any kind of lights on. We're in the off position. Center control lights are off. It all looks good. And as I leave the driver's side, I'm under the impression everything's okay. But no. Running lights are on. The halo running lights are on. And my passenger side marker lights are still on. See that? But my driver's side are not. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull the switch here real quick. Let's see. I don't know if I can actually do this with the camera on or not, but let's see. So I pull that out. You can see there I've got the blue wire to the designated slot on the switch, which is the one that was added for fog lights. And since the switch actually functions properly with the fog lights, I'm going to assume that there's nothing wrong with that. I don't know if I can actually get that off there with my hands on the camera. Oh, I could. Okay. So Euroswitch out. I just clicked in the stock switch. Okay, stock switch in, off position. Key still in my hand. Car's still not running. As we back up, we can see with the stock switch, our passenger side marker lights aren't on anymore. Everything is the way it's supposed to be. Nothing on in the headlights, just like we liked it.